How to preparation exam like a pro? Are you preparing for an upcoming exam? Want to boost your performance and reduce stress? In this video, I'll share exactly what you need to do the day before and on the day of your exam to help you perform at your best. Let's dive in. The day before the exam. First things first, let's focus on the day before the exam. This is all about setting yourself up for success. 1. Check logistics. Double-check your exam venue, time, and any required materials like your ID, calculator, or any paperwork you need to bring. Don't leave it to the last minute. 2. Pack essentials. Gather everything you'll need: pens, pencils, water, snacks, and any other required items. Get everything ready so you're not scrambling on the morning of the exam. 3. Set alarms. Make sure you wake up with plenty of time to eat a balanced breakfast, get ready, and travel to the exam without rushing. Set a couple of alarms if you need to. 4. Get enough sleep. Now this is super important. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I know it's tempting to cram, but trust me, it won't help. A rested mind will perform so much better than a tired one. On the day of the exam, let's talk about the big day itself. The way you approach the exam will make a big difference. 1. Read the instructions carefully. When the exam starts, read through all the instructions carefully. Listen to what the invigilator says and make sure you understand if you need to answer all questions and whether all questions carry the same mark weight. 2. Set yourself a rough timetable. At the start, take a few minutes to figure out how much time to spend on each question. A little planning goes a long way. This way, you won't rush through anything, and you'll have time for review at the end. 3. Try to answer all the questions. Even if you're not 100% sure about some answers, make sure you attempt every question. It's better to give it a shot and maximize your potential score. 4. Stay calm and stay positive. Last but definitely not least, remain calm. Take deep breaths, keep a positive mindset, and tackle each question with confidence. Staying calm helps you think clearly and focus on the task at hand. Remember, you've put in the work, and now it's time to show what you know. Stick to these tips, and you'll be more than prepared to crush your exam. Good luck, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. You've got this.